guys, it's Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. How are you? If you hear background noise tonight, my daughter's watching the Twilight movies again. So if you hear vampires, that's what it is. I'm going to do a 10 by 20 tonight, kind of a dirty blowout. I'm inspired by these guys right here. So a lot of the similar colors with the orange and yellows and brown shades with some green, and I threw in some purple as well. We went to a sunflower farm. It was a lot of fun. So let me get you down. I'm going to do something different too. At the very end of the video, at the end, you'll find the recipe, the paints, the products, ratios, all of that will be the last screen at the end of the video. Also, click on that description button to take you down. It has the timestamps to get you to a certain point in the video that you might want to rewatch or you skipped over, and all my other links as well. So I think that's it for my speech. Let me get you down. So there's my level 3 gallery wrap canvas, 10 by 20. I'm just, you know, it's nice to have a container so it's all contained. I'm obviously not going to be able to spin this. So what I thought I would do is just make a couple puddles and then just kind of give them a messy blowout with a hairdryer, and mix up the order of these as I go as well. Or do I make a line? No, I think I'm going to experiment and just do puddles in a couple different areas. Maybe 3 or 4 puddles. We'll see if this works. And a little green guy over here. I'm going to use both black and white as my cell activator. And this is all totally random, what I'm doing right now. I picked the colors, but I did not determine, predetermine order at all. I don't know if this is going to work. We'll find out. You see, I'm making my puddles pretty big too. Oh, she heard me talking. She took the movie up to her room, I guess. You know, at 14, you don't hang with mom and dad anymore. Oh no, that's forbidden. That's just a big no-no. She's like, I'm out of here. Oh no, I did that color there. I did it here. I hope this color scheme works out too. I do want the purple and green together. Big puddles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you need the orange. All right, this will have to be quick too, because oh, not so quick. So I made my cell activator 3 to 1 instead of 4 to 1 because I had this idea in mind and I didn't want it to sink too quick. So I left it a little bit thicker deliberately. This one's just going to get a little bit. You're going to get a bunch. Oops, you get just a little bit. And you get a bunch. Oh, it's still giving me the halo effect. Oh, I forgot to mix up the order too. Well, we'll give this one a whole bunch of white. Hopefully that'll kill off the black. And maybe we'll leave 2 of them black. That's what we'll do. All right, we ready? All right, broke out the big hair dryer tonight. So high fan on cool. I need a puddle right there, don't I? Yeah. And maybe leave the negative space, but that's like, let me stare at this. I think it still needs like a baby one right here. And we're gonna have to give this, oh, it's spinning, isn't it? Sorry about that. I'm gonna have to give it a minute to let like all that kind of collect a bit. Because if I tilt, I definitely need this to move in unison. Let me look at the colors and see what I want right here. I'm happy with the balance. The green and purple worked out okay. I feel like I could have done a better job blowing that one out right there. So maybe I just put a little puddle right here and blow it that way. Yeah, let's do that. Let's just do a little purple. And I got some gold. And we'll do green, and then I'll use white as the cell activator this time. Because I have black there. There's white there, black, black, white. Yeah, so we use white. I just need a little bit. And then let me go around to the other side of my island. I'll give this a little blast. Maybe I'll put it on some cool air but medium fan. Stuck my hairdryer in it. That's pretty though, with the white lacing. All right, let me see where I want to give a puff anywhere. I'm going to take my skewer, pop some bubbles. Hopefully, yeah. I'm pretty dang happy with this, y'all. Let's see if I want cells anywhere else. I don't think so. I'm like, This is really, like, I almost don't want to touch it. It's pretty great just the way it is. But I gotta, I think I gotta tilt a little bit, or just check to see how much paint is left on here. Really dramatic colors. I think I'm gonna give a puff like right here, just so that this is the only, I mean, there's some here, but it has the black running into it where I feel like it needs a little something right there. And it's kind of hard for me to reach into my thing. Let me come around to the other side. Or maybe I pick it up and turn it. That's what I do. I'm gonna turn the camera off. My gloves are in the car because I taught outside of my house and I have no gloves and I don't want to pick this up with bare hands. So I'm gonna pop this bubble, run out to my car and grab gloves. So sorry about that. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I flipped this around too, and all I'm gonna do is like, see where this little bit of black is? I'm just gonna try and puff that in. If it doesn't go, I feel like that's minor enough that I leave it, really. Because I am like pretty dang happy with this just the way it is. And then I'm just gonna check to see how much paint is on the canvas. So let me see if I can get in there. I know there's cells under there. They're coming up a little bit. Just need a little something right there, I feel. So let that collect a second. And then we'll see. I think if I tilt, maybe take a little bit of this off, a little bit of that, like tilt toward me a little bit, not a whole heck of a lot though. All right. Or if it doesn't want to move, then I'm going to leave it. My house paint was really thin too. So I'm going to get a little bit off there and then bring it back. See how slow it's moving? I don't even know if you guys can see that. I say we leave it. What do you think? Really super pretty. Just the right amount of negative space. I'm gonna say ta-da and leave it be. It's pretty. Yep, let me clean up my hands, get you guys down for a close-up. All right, here it is, the close-up. Really quite pleased with my colors tonight. I feel like that was a really great inspiration. And I like that I used the black and the white cell activator, particularly like in here too. It just softens it up in areas. There's the black and then the white over there. Kind of come up a little bit so you can see it. Quite striking colors though. There it is. Where am I? That's it for me tonight. Short and sweet. I want to go watch a movie, so yeah. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, as my kid would say. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.